In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add projects to your LinkedIn profile, a useful feature to showcase your work and enhance your professional presence. Let's start by navigating to LinkedIn's website. Go to linkedin.com and log into your account. You can sign in using either your Google or Microsoft account, or if you prefer, enter your email address and password. For those of you who have enabled two-factor authentication, be prepared to verify your identity. LinkedIn may send a code to your mobile phone to ensure your account's security, so keep an eye out for that message. Once you've logged in, let's move on to accessing your profile. Begin by clicking on your avatar picture located in the upper right hand corner of the screen. This will bring up a drop down menu where you'll want to select View Profile. Now that you're on your personal profile page, we're going to look for the Add Profile section button, which you'll find just beneath your profile picture. Click on it to proceed. As you explore the Add to Profile menu, you'll see various options to enhance your profile. For our task today, we'll be diving into the Recommended section. Within this menu, select Add Project. Here's where the magic happens. You're now set to add a project to your profile. Start by entering a clear and catchy title for your project. Make sure it succinctly captures the essence of the project. As this will be the first thing viewers see, following the title, you'll want to provide a detailed description of the project. This is an opportunity to highlight the project's purpose, describe your role, and emphasize the skills you brought to the table. Remember, your goal is to convey your contributions and the project's impact clearly and compellingly. Next, you have the chance to list the relevant skills you utilized during the project. By articulating these skills, you not only demonstrate what you can do, but also how your abilities have real-world applications. Moving along, you'll be required to indicate the start and end dates of your project. This detail situates your work in time, helping prospective connections and employers understand when the project took place in your career timeline. Finally, after you've meticulously filled in all the required details, it's time to save your work. Click the Save button to add the project to your LinkedIn profile, and just like that, your project is now live for your network to see. This is a great way to keep your profile vibrant and up to date, showcasing your accomplishments and skills to your professional network and anyone who visits your profile. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this step-by-step guide has made the process easy and straightforward for you. Feel free to explore more features to further enhance your profile.